All right. So where it says here in the box, I'm going to give you your prompt. So your prompt is going to be, how did Rainsford, and if I'm writing, you're writing, how did Rainsford use his, he had what kind of hunting skills? No, I didn't say what did he use to hunt. Was he an amateur? Was he experienced? Did he write books? He wasn't an amateur. He was experienced. How did Rainsford use his experienced hunting skills to defeat? Who did he defeat? The general? The general. So that's your prompt. How did Rainsford use his experienced hunting skills to defeat the general? That is your prompt, and that's what you're going to be answering. Now, once we've written it down, I'm going to ask you if we need to change it, because you're going to be writing, and if you don't understand the prompt, you're not going to be able to write, yes? So maybe we need to word the question differently. Now, the reason that we have struggles when we do a math test or we do a STAR test is because you do not understand the questions that you are being asked. So how did Rainsford use his experienced hunting skills to defeat the general? How else could we say that? Give me another way that I could word this prompt. Or do you understand it and can you answer it? Do you understand it? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you understand it. If you don't, you better say something. Who sits there? Nobody? Who? Remember APE that we're not doing anymore? Now we are CERing, which is the same as APE, but we are going to, I'll tell you that in a minute. So your topic sentence, I want you to put here, answer. And then someone is going to tell me how you would answer the question. So CER is claim, explain evidence, and give a reason. It's the same as the APE that we're not using anymore. So I don't want you to feel like it's not. So if I said to you, how did Rainsford, how do you answer? You do know. How do you answer? How do you answer? Not he. How do you answer? What's his name? Okay. So you're going to start with Rainsford. You take off what it's asking you to do. You don't remember this? Circle how did. Once you take off how did, that is how you start your answer. Rainsford used, because you got to change the form of use, right? Rainsford. Now, if you know how to write, you could say Rainsford used his great hunting skills. Rainsford used his experienced hunting skills, or Rainsford used his experienced, what kind of skills did he have hunting? He was able to do what? Because you're going to have to tell me three things. So what were the three things he was able to do?
He was able to do creative traps.
What else could he do? Speak up. No, we know that. How did he defeat the general?
By hiding.
By hiding? And how else? How did he defeat the general? I'm not going to keep asking you guys. There's some of you that are looking around. If you do not know this, how are you going to write? Engagement and participation is how we learn. How did he defeat the general? Adam. Alex. How did he defeat the general? Okay, he was able to set traps. So, setting traps. Don't write this. How else was he able to defeat the general?
I by the wolf. Jumping into his feet.
Jumping into what? How did he defeat the general in the end? What did he do?
He pushed him up. That's.
So let me ask you a question. Everybody voted for American Born Chinese as the fall midterm. I know you're not back there on your phone. The same rules apply. There's no phone in your room and there's no phone in mine. I don't care what it is. How did he defeat the general in the end?
He was in the room. He was waiting for the.
How did he get there?
Like,
So what is an academic way of saying he faked him out? So he was able to defeat him by setting traps, by tricking him, and how else? Didn't he hurt him at one time? Didn't he wound him? Yep. So whatever you can remember is the three things you're going to put here, and the three things are going. Whatever you're going to say here has to be a part of your answer. So Rainsford used his hunting skills too. And I'm not finishing it. Because if all you ever do is copy, you're never going to learn how to use your own thinking skills. And then you're going to put down three things. You're going to come up with three things that you feel. So, next to the word fact, you're going to write example. Next to the word fact 2, you're going to put example. And next to the word fact 3, you're going to put example. We're not worrying about the conclusion sentence right now. So do not do. All I want you to do is come up with your prompt answer and your explains. We're not writing anything. And I also want you to put draft up top. And I forgot about my oatmeal. Then I want you to take this paper and I want you to put it back in your notebook because we're going to go back to conjunctions. I want you to look at the paper that you cut. Did you cut this one yet? Okay. You're going to be cutting this one, and then you're also going to be gluing this into your notebook. So, why do I have 2 1/8? Where's my 1 1? Okay. So, I'm going to go to my next blank page to make it fit. you're pretty much probably going to have to just, I know you're going to have to cut off the side. Measure it and figure it out. I cut too much off mine. Do you not have scissors? Where'd they go? Do you not have scissors? Huh? You only got one pair? Don't wait for none of these people. Ask and you shall receive. We don't wait for nobody around here. You know what? Give me them big ones. Because some of these people crazy on purpose. Alright. Who else needs a pair? Why you walked way over here to get my scissors when I just said who else? Well, she gave them away. Oh, y'all crazy. Here, take them. Take them.
Yes, we do have a different problem with this. It doesn't seem to work.
What's wrong with it?
It's not trying to connect to the Wi-Fi. Not the guest one or the district.
Alright, well, some of them are having that issue. You can try one of those, but I don't know. Take the one that has my name on it. Alright, I'm gonna have to cut more off the bottom. Okay, there we go. What is wrong with this thing? All right, glue it in. I like staples. I don't mess with glue. Okay. In a second.
I was not finished.
Good. Number 7.
The boy was tired, but he kept on running.
Is Butt's the fanboy? Yes.
Yeah.
Why?
Because the boat had something.